My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture. So we continue our second chapter, Theory of Quadratic Equations. Today we'll do exercise 2.4. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification of new videos in time. Please inform the others about this channel. Exercise 2.4, question number 1 and part 1. If alpha beta be the roots of the given equation x square plus px plus q, x square plus px plus q equals to 0, find the value of of alpha square plus beta square, right? So we start our question solution. Here in this equation, A equals to 1, B equals to P, and C equals to Q. Right? So sum of the roots equals to alpha beta equals to minus B over A equals to minus P over 1. So alpha plus beta equals to minus P, right? And the product of the roots will be equals to alpha times beta, which is equals to C over A, which is equals to Q over 1. So alpha beta equals to Q. Right. Now we have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So we have to remember some formulas, right? So we'll write alpha square plus beta square as, this is the formula, alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Right? So which is equals to minus P the square minus 2 times alpha beta. Alpha beta is Q. This will be P square minus 2Q, which is our required answer. Right? I hope you understand it well. Now, just doing its second part, which is more or less same, but the different values have to be found. Okay. So our stem is same, part 2, alpha beta be the roots of same equation, x square plus px plus q equals to 0. Then find the value of alpha square beta, alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube. Right? So again, we start our solution by finding the values of A and B, C first. So here A equals to 1, B equals to P, and C equals to Q. Right? So sum of the roots equals to alpha plus beta. We have to do the same procedures many times. Equals to minus B over A equals to minus P over 1. It means that alpha plus beta equals to minus P, right? And the product of the roots will be alpha times beta, which is equals to Q over 1, means alpha beta equals to Q. Now we have to find the value of alpha cube beta, alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube, right? So which is equals to, taking alpha beta common, we have alpha square plus beta square. We just use the formula of alpha square beta square is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 times alpha beta, right? So using this formula, this is Q, this is minus P the square minus 2 times Q, right? So this will be Q, P square minus 2Q will be our answer. Right, I hope you understand it well, and we'll do the third part as well, okay? Third part of question number 1, this is the same, but we have to find the different value. Right. The same question, same part 3. Okay, again I'm writing the stem alpha beta be the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q equals to 0. Find the value of alpha over beta plus beta over alpha, right? So the solution starts the same. Here A equals to 1, B equals to P, and C equals to Q, right? So sum of the roots equals to alpha plus beta, which is equals to minus b over a, which is equals to minus p over 1, right? So alpha plus beta equals to minus p, right? And product of the roots equals to alpha times beta, which is equals to c over a, which is equals to q, means alpha beta equals to q, right? So now we have to find the value of alpha over beta plus beta over alpha, right? So just taking the LCM alpha beta, which is equals to, this will become alpha square, this will become plus beta square, right? So which is equals to alpha square plus beta square over, I'm writing it again for you, alpha beta, right? We can say it is 1 over alpha beta times alpha square plus beta square. Now we know the formula of alpha square plus beta square, which is equals to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 times alpha beta, right? Now just putting the values, this is 1 over q, this is minus p the whole square minus 2 times q, right? This is equals to 1 over q p square minus 2q, which is our required answer. And I hope you understand it well. Okay. Right. Now we'll do question number 2, part 1. This is the same question, but different values are given. So we will do it. Question number 2, part 1. So the stem is different now. Alpha and beta be the roots of different equation now. Of equation is 4x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Find the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Right? Simply we'll do the same thing again. Right here, a equals to 4, b equals to minus 5, and c equals to 6. Now the numerical values are given. So sum of the roots equals to alpha plus beta, which is equals to minus b over a, equals to minus 5 over 4. So alpha plus beta equals to plus 5 over 4. Right? And now product of the roots will be equals to alpha times beta, which is equals to c over a, which is equals to 6 over 4, and which is equals to 3 over 2. So alpha beta equals to 3 over 2. Now we have to find the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. So alpha beta will be the LCM, and we have alpha plus beta on the numerator, alpha plus beta. So it will be 1 over alpha beta and alpha plus beta. Right, so it will be 5 over 4 divided by 3 over 2. Or we may say 5 over 4 times 2 over 3. Right? So it will be 5 over 6. So now the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta is equals to 5 over 6. And this is our final answer. I hope you understand it well. And if not, you may contact me on the WhatsApp number given in the beginning of the video. And please subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon as well. And if you want something special, you may tell me on the WhatsApp number. Right. Thank you very much. अल्लाह आपका हामी नासिर हो.